This morning we are going to make an easy chocolate pudding cake. To start out with, we're going to be using the slow cooker. We will put 1 package of instant chocolate pie filling and 3 cups of milk into the slow cooker. We then take the ingredients and mix together like you would for a cake. And those are my ingredients here: the cake mix, the egg, the 1/3 cup of water, and the 1/2 cup of oil. So we're going to start this process. I will first spray my pot. Once sprayed, we will add our instant chocolate pudding. Then we are going to add our milk, again 3 cups. And we are going to whisk this together. We now, in this bowl, have our cake mix, our egg, our oil, and our water. We're going to mix this like you would if you were going to bake a cake. The difference is once we have this mixed up, we will pour it into the pudding mixture. We will not stir that in. Once we get it together, we will put it in the crock pot, and we're going to put it on high. And you can serve it warm with ice cream or topping or whatever you'd like to put on it. Now that our cake mix is mixed up, we will pour it into our pudding. We are not going to stir this up.